this ride at the carnival. Oh, come take my hand and run through playland so high.
First product that I'm taking is the Plouise base, and I'm just laying this down on my eyelids. And this is going to be the primer for this eyeshadow look. Now, these eyeshadows that I did use in this palette did actually stain, even though I had the Plouise base down. Just wanted to pre-warn you. Now just taking the Fyne eyebrow pen, and this one isn't soft brown, and we're just filling in our brows. Now, this is the eyeshadow palette that I used. It's from Cosmic Brushes. It's the Delights one. It's the really bright one. Now, these eyeshadows are super pigmented and absolutely fantastic to use. If you love bright colours, definitely check out Cosmic Brushes or Cosmic Beauty. I don't know if they've changed their name fully yet, so I'm still just saying both just in case. But we're taking this deep pinky purple shade, and we're just going to do like a really bright cut crease. This started off quite normal as like a normal eyeshadow look, and then I started really blending it out and smoking it out the more I got into it. I'm now just going to take this lilac-y purple shimmer, and we're just going to put this all over our eyelids. Now, this look was a little bit spontaneous because I was actually planning on doing bats, but it turned out to be a clown look. So yeah, one of the kind of looks again. So this is just me taking a white eyeliner pencil, and I'm basically just trying to draw and outline the kind of look that I was going for. I messed this up quite a few times, if I'm going to be honest, but it's Halloween. You can like be as creative or be as simple as you want to be. I wasn't completely happy with this, but I thought once I've got it all down, it'll be fine. So I was basically just like getting myself through this video, and I was listening to like Monster High and like stuff like that as well, just to kind of get me in the mood a little bit. I thought that this looked a little bit too much like bat wings on the bottom of my eyes, so I was a bit sceptical, but I just kept telling myself to power through and work out, and it did. So yeah, I'm just going in with some black face paint now, and we are just filling out these kind of clown bits that I've done at the bottom of my eyes. Not going to lie guys, I'm a bit rusty with this. When I looked back at my videos, my like last clown look was a good couple of years ago. So yeah, we're a little bit rusty. To add a little bit of colour to this, because I didn't just want it to be quite plain. So we're just going round the edges with a dark pink eyeshadow. And I'm just using like a little eyeliner brush here, and we're just going round the edges. Then I do decide to actually go in with some glitter and stuff as well, and like a glitter liner. So you will see as we go through. It is a bit of a chaotic video, if I'm going to be honest, but I still wanted to upload it because content is content at the end of the day. And I actually really liked the look towards the end of it. I was a bit sceptical, and I was like, I don't know if I'm going to post this. Even my computer wasn't letting me edit it, so it took about 3 days to edit. We are now just going in with the mouth area, and I'm just taking a black eyeliner pencil from Primark, and I'm just filling in my lips with black. Now, I didn't really know what I was going to do with the lips. I was just kind of freestyling it, if I'm going to be honest. So I didn't want to do too much with the lips, so I just done like a little kind of smile line. Now I'm just adding a little bit of design to the clown look, also filling in my nose area here. This is the glitter liner that I used from Plouise. It was from like the glisten liner sets, and it's like a really light pink. So I thought if I go around all that black edge with a little bit of glitter, it will like make it look a little bit more feminine. You know me, I'm always adding glitter or sparkles or shimmer or something to something. So yeah, then I was like, I really want to do like pink cheeks, but I don't want to ruin like under the eyes. So I basically was just like smiling. Look how chunky my face has got. It's actually ridiculous. I really need to lose weight. Adding a little bit of shimmer and stuff to the cheeks just to make them look a little bit more rosier. Now, I've actually started doing my neck here. You don't have to do this, but I just tend to do it just to kind of complete the look, because I don't really use like contacts or like hair stuff or anything like that. So I always kind of go a little bit more, but you don't have to do this. So I have just sped through this bit. But I'm basically just painting on like a little clown neck here. We're doing it in pink and purple. I'm going over it with face paint, then I'm just going over the top of that with some eyeshadow just to kind of set the face paint a little bit. This video took me like ages to film, if I'm going to be honest. It was like 3 hours long, and I have kind of edited it and cropped it right down to like the basics so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Yeah, I decided I was going to add some freckles here. I don't know why, I just kept seeing the freckle pen in my drawer, and I was like, yeah, let's add some freckles. Let's make this a cute, funky like clown character. So yeah, we're just adding some brown freckles with the brown Doll Beauty brow pen. Then I decided to add a little heart, and I'm just applying some Plouise lashes here. Again, guys, I don't know the style of these, but I'll leave a link for her lashes anyway because they are really, really good. Then I'm just adding some little random designs, and this is this look. I did find like a really shimmery, metallic-y eyeshadow in that eyeshadow palette that I was using, so I decided to go over like all the black with that kind of shimmery eyeshadow because it gave it a nice, cool, funky kind of shift, and I really liked it. But yeah, this is the look. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz.
At the carnival, and in some fun and games, till somebody falls in love. But you already bought a ticket, and there's no turning back now.